Peace and blessings, beautiful people. Hi, I'm Kareen.
And I'm Betsy. And if you've been here before, you already know what it is. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hey, welcome back, welcome back. But if you're new here, we'd like to welcome you to
The Pleatery. All right, we have a special treat for y'all. If y'all love sandwiches, y'all love a pressed panini sandwich, this is your episode, okay? This is right here, all right? So we are hitting you with a sweet potato, goat cheese, caramelized onion.
What else?
Spinach, roasted red pepper, panini.
Yes.
So good. It's a meatless option if you're trying to have a meatless Monday, or if you're lacto-ovo, you do your thing, but you're going to enjoy it. Please stay tuned.
Here's all the right stuff you need. Alright folks, let's get into the good stuff. You're going to want to start off by peeling your sweet potatoes after you give them a good wash, of course. Once your potatoes are peeled, you're going to cut your potato in half and then cut that half into thin strips and then give those thin strips a julienne cut. You want a medium to thick size French fry essentially for this sandwich. Once that's all set, you're going to want to load your sweet potatoes onto a baking sheet and drizzle generously with olive oil and also give it a generous sprinkling of salt. Give your potatoes a nice massage, make sure everything gets coated, spread out flat on your baking sheet and throw in an oven that's been preheated to 415 degrees and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. While that's going, you want to get your peppers ready. So cut out the core of your pepper, make sure you don't have any seeds, and also remove the middle part from your red pepper, and then give those a julienne cut as well, thin strips so they could roast evenly. You're going to want to give your red peppers a good drizzle with olive oil as well. Quick toss and throw in the oven right along with your sweet potatoes at 415 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until soft. Next is onion time. Hello, mise en place. You're just going to want to cut both ends of your onion and then cut it in half. And then cut along the half of the onion real thin so that you could have even pieces that caramelize quickly. Add some olive oil to a medium saucepan, shout out to Binging with Babish, and get that heated to a medium to high heat. So now add your onions and stir. Guys, add some salt, but stay with this. Don't leave it. Don't pick up the phone, talk to your best friend, get into a conversation about the tea. You'll lose your caramelized onions if you do that. Add a little water if the pot gets too sticky, but keep on stirring. Keep those onions moving until they're brown, juicy, caramelized, sweet goodness like this. Once your onions are done, don't even wash the pot. Take them out, add some more olive oil in, and put this spinach in there and get that cooking down. Same thing. You just want to keep on tossing, keep on cooking down. Oh, forgot the salt and pepper. Add some salt and pepper. Now get to stirring. Mix, mix, mix until you have cooked, wilted spinach and it's soft like this. Time for the best part. So you're going to want to add a half a log of goat cheese to your bowl and then drizzle with honey, about a tablespoon or more if you like a sweeter honey goat cheese, and give that a good mix. Now you're supposed to use softened room temperature goat cheese, but if you didn't like us, all you have to do is add it to your microwave, give it a blitz for 10 seconds, then proceed to mix. Generously spread that honey goat cheese mixture onto two sides of your sourdough bread. Add in your caramelized onions, spinach, roasted sweet potato, and your roasted red pepper, of course. Add your top layer of bread and spread with softened butter to get it ready for the panini process. What we're showing you here is if you want to make a panini without having a panini press. All you have to do is add your sandwich butter side down to a ripping hot cast iron pan. Shout out to Joshua Wiseman. And press with another heavy pan or heavy cast iron pan on top. Let it cook on one side. Spread the other side with butter. Flip and then add your cast iron pan on top again. When I tell you y'all aren't ready for what this cross section has to offer, there are so many colors, textures, layers to this sandwich.
So there you have it, your own panini, sweet potato, honey goat cheese, spinach, caramelized onion, delicious goodness. You guys, if you make this at home, I think you know what to do by now, but let's tell them.
They need a refresher.
Just tell them. So why don't you hit us up on Instagram, give us a tag and a follow while you're over there. And don't forget to use the hashtag, the pleatery, CIY, so you can tell us and show us how you made this amazing dish.
Let's cook together.
Let's cook together. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go for it. Look at that.
So good. Send them off so we can finish.
Girl, I'm enjoying the layers of flavor. Like, it's
So
insane. Listen, always remember.
Hey y'all, this is Editing Betsy. I'm coming on here to say I'm sorry for all of this like gum smacking we were doing during this video outro, but when I tell you this sandwich was so good that we couldn't even wait till the end of the video to give it a try. We were drooling at the mouth when we made this sandwich and we had to taste it on camera. Go try it. Like, I'm jealous of them. Like, I'm jealous of them back then that they're still eating that sandwich and I'm not. That's how good it was. Good luck. Enjoy. Editing Betsy out.
To eat good.
And stay flexing.
If you like this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell so you could be notified of our future posts.